Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk VK2200, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset all settings of this device. So, if you wanna factory reset all settings, you need to remember one thing. You have multiple devices. You have display and you have pen tablet, and there are different devices in the one case. Okay, it means that we have the pen tablet and the display. Pen tablet is just mechanism, and pen tablet is sharing the signal with the PC using USB and USB cable. And if you want to factory reset pen tablet settings, you need to open the Veikk tablet, then choose here pen, click restore defaults, mapping, restore defaults, function, restore defaults, mapping, for example, here, great, cool. And if you wanna factory reset all settings of the pen tablet, you need to uninstall the Veikk tablet driver and install it again from the official website. But if you wanna factory reset the display settings, so brightness, sharpness, maybe resolution and other settings, you need to click and hold on the A button, wait, clear key lock message, then click M. Scroll down. Okay, so choose these settings. Click M to choose it, and here, as you can see, we have reset. Click M again, and great. We have reset all settings of the display and of the pen tablet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.